In this video, I will show with you step by step how to log in Avanza Bank online. So friends, if you want to log in online, all you have to do, go to Google, search for this keyword Avanza Bank, write this keyword. After that, click on the first website here. You have two options to log in. You can log in from Google directly from here, or you can use login page. This is a login page. Just wait. When you click login, you will redirect it to login page. You can log in with your QR codes, and you can log in with username and password. Click username and password. After that, when you write here this option, click on login ID and username and password. So friends, you can use also your QR code. Click QR code, scan this code, and you can start log in with this QR code. And you can also download this app on Google Play or App Store. When you download this app, you just click this app and then click all, use Google Play, download, and complete your process. Thanks for watching this.